Okay, hello my people. How na day? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere where you dey. I hope say you dey follow with the thing and you don dey enjoy. For my previous videos, I don't forget to dey tell una say make una like, comment, subscribe and share. Because you know here English no mean say you no go wan do code. Code no be by English na by wetin we get for brain, and we know say we for Naija our brain sharp. So if I dey show you wetin to do, you go fit sabi code. Anything wey you wan do, you go fit code. So today, last time I been show una how to set up .NET with VS Code. So by now I know say you for don get your VS Code and you for don install your .NET SDK. Na wetin we do for the last video. If you never do am, no be problem, we never go far. This is just like na the third video be this, and all the videos short. Na wetin wey you go fit follow us learn, do am one by one. So today we dey go create our first console application. Very simple one wey go tell us how to input and output. Input be say anything you tell computer, you put inside computer, na im be input. Inside input. Anything wey computer dey show you, na im be output. Outside, that's output. E dey bring am comot. So for example, if I say Emeka, go bring that cloth, I dey put something inside you, I dey give you instruction with that. It's even instruction get inside am. So you say Emeka, go bring that cloth. So na input I dey give you. Your output now be when you follow that command, go bring that cloth. Na im be output. Or I say babe, how far now? Wetin be your name? That wetin be your name, na im be the input wey you dey put inside the girl. So it's left to the girl to give you the output, which would be my name na Chioma, or my name na Simbi. So we go learn all that one, how to tell computer something and how to make computer show us that thing. So now we go dey do today. So last time we downloaded VLC, Visual Studio Code. You go see am like this for your desktop if you open your desktop. Abi? So before that one, e get wetin I wan do. I wan make we create folder for our desktop. Now this folder all our projects go dey. So how you go create am? You right click, you go new folder. We'll call this folder .NET practice. We'll call it like this, .NET practice. Don't create am? Okay, I don't wait make you create am. I don't create am? Okay, so we'll continue. So now you will go open your Visual Studio Code. You double click am. You go open like this. Make I expand am. See am ba? You go open like this. Once you open like this, you go this place where be file. This place where be file, you go there and they come. This place where be file, you click am. Then you click open folder. That folder where we create now, we won't go open now. So you click open folder. Then you click that folder now for desktop e now. So we click desktop. So you look for and see here .NET practice. You click on one time. Then you click select folder. See .NET practice. You don't see am ba. So now we dey inside the folder. Okay. So give me 1 second and they come. 1 second. So we dey inside the folder now. So wetin we go do now to create our first console app. For .NET, I tell you say we fit use and build API, console app, game app, any app where you want. So but for this one, since we dey start, make we take fit understand everything wey dey happen. We go create console app. And how we go create am, you go see now. So you go click on this terminal. Once you click this terminal, you click new terminal. So you go see something like this. Just press enter so that you go fit see desktop.net practice. You suppose to see this desktop.net practice. No bother about wetin come before here. Just make you dey see desktop.net practice. So once you don't see that one, now wetin you go do be say we go tell .net make create new console app for us, and we go call the console app Hello Naija. So watch and see how we dey take do am. Say oya .net create new wetin new console app for us, abi /n, then call am the name. That /n na the name, call am Hello Naija. So you click enter. See am, see wetin appear here. If you no see am, rewind am o, make you see nothing dey here before, but see Hello Naija don show here, abi. So now you go click this thing, make we see wetin dey inside. No bother about yourself about this one and this one. Now this Program.cs, now everything dey happen. So we go click am. So you can see wetin you see there, console.writeline hello world. Now wetin dey there be that. So this console now dey help us get the inputs, the outputs, and different things. This write line dey tell the computer say anything wey I put here, show us. Now be the output wey I dey talk. Anything wey dey inside there, show us. So make we run am. Before we go run am, you see say here we dey where desktop.net practice. But this folder where you don't create, now in this Program.cs dey. So we need to still enter inside this folder before we go fit run am. You understand? So how we go take enter? We go say cd, which is change directory. Wetin be the name of the folder? Correct. Hello Naija. You go see, oh, this one go change now. You see, you don't enter. We don't get desktop.net practice Hello Naija. Then wetin we want write. So we will run this application. To run this application now, we go say .net run. Suppose show us hello world. So they tell computer, show us something. They run. See am? It don't show us hello world. It don't output hello world for us. So anything where you want output, you feel output. Okay, more say more output. Wait till we go output. Hello. Wait. This area star now, she just come my head every time. Hello area star. So if you save this one now, hello area star, you go see say now waiting you tell them to write. You say I say write this line, write line, hello area star. So if you press up key, make .net run come again, or if you like, if you type am again, .net run. So now you know go tell us hello world again. You go tell us hello area star. We'll check and see. Correct. You say hello area star. What if you since na pidgin we do, what if we say something like how far na guy I dey hate you. So now the computer still through s. So for here now you go do .net run again. If you know want write the right time, you know say you don't write time before, you go press that up key. You know you get up, down, left, right. If you press the up, you go bring them. So you press enter. You say how far now guy, I dey H o. So congratulations, you don learn how to make computer show you wetin im don process. So it's just like you get pikin, you tell am say 1 plus 1, im sit down, im calculate am, but im no tell you. So you need to tell am wetin be the answer. Then im go come tell you. So now wetin we dey do now, how we dey make computer tell us wetin we need. So e get another example wey I wan show una, but I never teach una some other concepts, but no wahala, make we dey do am small dey go, abi. Okay, so now I wan show una how to, we don do how to do output, abi, console.writeLine. Now we go come do how to do input, which is console.readLine. So computer dey read wetin you dey type give am, then e go come write am. So make we do am. So let's say make computer ask us, say hello, wetin be your name? Hello, wetin be your name? Computer don ask. So as e ask hello, wetin be your name number, we need to find a way wey we go give am our name. Na that one we dey call console.readLine. Anything wey you dey do for .NET, you must put full stop. Na their own full stop is this semicolon. If you no put am, e go dey shout for your head. You dey say am ba. You say semicolon expected. So you go put am for am, make that red line comot. You see am. So now we go wan do console.readLine. So this console.readLine, this here, we go save am inside one container. We go call am name. We go call am name. And this name na number be na letter. Name na words now. So if you want to say something na words for C#, you go call am string. So this container na string I want make e dey collect, no be number. If you want make e collect number, you go call am int. You see, you don't underline am, you no understand. So we go call am string for now. I go teach una other one string. You go get video where I go teach una, but for now just dey follow am. I go teach una data types, wetin be string, wetin be int, wetin be boolean. Very simple thing wey una dey use every day. It's just like if you get container, packaging. Okay, let's say packaging for Jumia. Maybe the box where you want put something na stone, and wetin you want deliver na glass, say glass cup. So you go store glass cup inside stone container. No be break e go break. So you go choose the right container for wetin you want store. No worry, we go explain am later. So now after the person don give a name, you go want say something like console.writeLine, so that we go see that name wey the person put. Console.writeLine. Let's say console.writeLine. My name na so let's put it, say my name na, no worry, you go understand it. I dey do very soon. Okay. My name na See, we must put wetin semicolon again. So so you see, this is a very simple code wey you don see. You say wetin be your name, the person don put im name. It's just like the person don write im name on top paper, close am. Na im be this, im write im name keep. So now you go still come go check the paper. You go say my name na wetin dey inside this paper. This paper im call the paper name. So wetin dey inside, you go come open am. Say my name na Alex. So more just run and see. More run and see first. So .NET run. Say wetin, hello, wetin be your name? It dey wait for us to type our name. So my name na Alfred. You see, I don't put Alfred. If I put enter now, it go say my name na Alfred. You understand? Okay, so I say no worry, you don't dey learn and they go small small. Wetin be your name? Which name we want put? Any name we will put now. We put Suleiman. Suleiman. So you can say my name na Suleiman. Or we'll just even say, so that go switch. Say wetin dey sup na, wetin dey sup na my guy. You see am ba? So more run am, you go ask wetin be your name. Once you tell her your name, it go tell you say wetin dey sup now. You go call your name. So more run am again. Say wetin be your name? My name na Said o. So computer dey tell us, wetin dey sup na my guy Said. So you fit change this one how you like. They practice with and may enter your head, but no worry, I go explain wetin all these things mean. You see all this plus sign why I put here, all this quotation why I put, all these things na string be that, but no be for this video I go show you. No worry, I go do video where I go teach you data types maybe before we continue. I think the next video I go teach you data types. So they call them data types for C#. So okay now. So not too hard, Abby. I know say it's not too hard, but no wahala. Even if it twists your brain small, na so it dey be. Even when I started coding, the time when I start coding, I saw the thing they mess with my brain. But this coding journey is not for the weak. Why I say it's not for the weak, be for person wey dey give up. Nobody dey sabi am once you teach am. All of us wey dey learn am today, e get time we go start, we go stop, we go come back again, we go back, we go come back. You say, Kai, this is not for me. I lie, it's for you. And so the coding be. So I think now you don't learn how to create new app. You go use your .NET new console, call the name, it go do am for you. You don't learn how to output using console.writeLine, and you don't learn how to give input using console.readLine. And the only three things we will learn for this video be that. So as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment on the video, and also put notifications so that you go to see more of these videos. Also, any part of this video where you no understand, where you want make I give you more clarification, more explanation, no just tell me, I go do video about them. So see you for next episode. Next episode I go to teach you now data types before we go continue. So with this one, I hope you have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. No do wetin I no go do. I mean they call Prof. Ele. Take care.